Hey, what's up everyone? I have several topics to discuss for this video, several various strange occurrences taking place in the world around us, which is the normal now. But I will also be doing some future videos regarding strange occurrences in a couple of previous videos that I just did, but I'll be sharing some strange occurrences from more deja vu, some strange situations that happened yesterday, and just situations of all-around strangeness which I am used to, but others might find interesting. I want to share it with you all. So, the first thing that's to share that is taking place in this world is this loud, unknown sound, which frightened animals and people in Chile at night. It's part of the sky phenomenon, which has been taking place for many years. Let's check out the sounds that came from Chile. First, let's read a little bit of the article. Apocalyptic fears were sparked among people in Chile as a strange trumpet-like noise was heard for 2 straight minutes, frightening animals and people. Dogs were barking in fear, and the atmosphere was eerie as the loud, unknown sound went on during the night. So, under the video, the uploader wrote verses of the Bible. Matthew 24:31 reads, "And he shall send his angels with a great sound of a trumpet, and they shall gather together his elect from the 4 winds, from the end of heaven to the one end of heaven to the other." However, some social media users were not so convinced that the sound was from the heavens, suggesting rather that the noise might have been coming from a steel industry somewhere nearby. But that excuse has been used so many times that it's really getting old. But because it's been happening everywhere, I'm hearing strange sounds. I've been hearing them for a while, and there's definitely not a steel factory where we live. And yeah, there's all kinds of things like that. Usually in the western sky, I hear a strange sound, so it'll be like a, well, it hasn't happened for a little while, but it usually happened, I think it happened last in like February or something like that, around that time. And it was like a trumpet/horn sound, or in a train horn in the sky. But that's what I'm going to discuss for this video. I think that's what this video is going to be focused on, mainly. So honestly, the sound, it sounds like a shipyard, construction, mining sounds, one user said. Could be a train car with faulty brakes. Okay. Alright, anyway, tectonic plates grinding, atmospheric pressure, trains shunting, construction, aliens, harp weapons, the apocalypse, and the 7 trumpets of heaven. These are all the various things that have been stated online. So you can make your own decision. This person says, "I have made it already." And I do believe it could be something prophetic, or it could be some kind of something that officials are doing, or maybe sounds from the earth, or sounds not really necessarily just from the earth, but it could be spiritual, and it could be something that many have speculated, like harp and things like that. So, all rights go to the person who uploaded this, by the way. Let's go ahead and check out the sounds from this video. You can hear the dogs going all over, just barking at this trumpet sound. When our dog hears a strange sound, well, our dogs in general, our one particular red-bone coonhound, he goes like woo 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 woo, like that. It's like a woo woo. It's hard to explain, hard to do, but he does that type of sound when he has heard something that is really out of the ordinary, like or a siren, or from an ambulance, or even Sasquatch-like sounds. Anything like that, anything of the supernatural or something, he will make that type of noise. Coyotes, when they hear coyotes, they'll make that type of sound. Our dogs will. They'll go like woo woo woo, and they'll just woo 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 woo. the other two will make that type of sound. But other than that, they're usually quiet, unless something very strange or unusual winds up happening. So, but yeah, this to me does sound like trumpets and horn sounds. I'll let you check out the complete video right here by posting the link to this below. So I'll let you check this out. Let me know what you think about these strange sounds coming from the sky. It turns out that I think I'm just going to make a one-topic video for this one instead of going on and instead of making multiple topics for this video for you to hear. I'm just going to make one video, one topic, and do the others in a moment. So thank you for watching. I send much love, and thank you for the prayers and everything for my mama. She's doing better than she was, and even being able to move around at all is better than what she was doing. So I don't want to jinx it. I'll give you updates in the future on the situation regarding my mama. I thank you all so much for everything that you have done for her, all the prayers that you've sent to her. Much love, and thank you so much. God bless. Peace. I'll be right back with another video. Bye.